Okay, TRex 500 with fiberglass blades, because I don't want to destroy the carbon fiber blades on a test flight. This is a test flight after a rebuild, after the tail went loose last time. See how it does.
Holy Christ, don't stand there.
Yeah. Ooh, there's a hole there. Yeah, you don't want to be standing in ant piles.
Well, I showed you my leg.
You got bit? Torn up?
Pressure washer.
Oh gosh. Now it was smooth last time. That's normal. Very stable. Looking good so far. I'll kick it up into idle up. That should have a little pep to it. And this is the first forward flight I've done with it since it crashed.
It's doing good now.
I don't want to go over the trees too much in case something happens.
I can understand that.
Alright, so now I'm going to kick it up into idle 2. So we'll be even faster. Not bad.
White wings, when it almost looks like it doesn't have any wings.
Yeah.
Not wings, but the propeller. It's real smooth, huh?
Yeah. That's good.
That was good.
Flipping good. It feels like it needs a little more negative pitch though. I have to really throw the stick to catch it right there, like more than I'm used to. So it probably needs a little more negative. Boy, talk about stable though with that electronic system.
Right. Boy, and so many less pieces.
So one of the big benefits is that it's real stable in forward flight. It doesn't porpoise.
Right.
All right, I'm not going to press this battery too hard because it's a new battery. I'd say that was a success.
I would say that was 100%. Well, it's not quite. You're not down yet.
Ooh, little hole right there. See that tail dip down into the grass? All right.
Good job.
I think I can probably safely put the flybarless blades back on it now. It'll fly even better with those. That might be why it felt like it was a little mushy on the inverted side, because the blades flex. The carbon blades are a lot stiffer. It'll catch harder. So that was successful, man. That's the first full flight I've gotten on it without something happening, besides a hover.
Well, is it a new bird?
Yeah. Yeah, the first test flight, the boom came out. Thumbs up.